Abdullahi is one of the young people who aspires to contribute to their country and bring new innovations. It's not our story about going to school and his normal life. So what's our real story?
tan waliba waa sheekada rasmiga ee unan daarnayti wana ka eedinayti sheekunan ka hadalni 17 sano jirka adduunka ka yaabi Somali Airline iyo siimugata ma diyaaradda rasmiga ee iska leh Somali wana hadda hawada ku duulas balse waliba naqshadu 8 garay kuri kan oo 17 sano jir oo fadaw in wadan shay hal abuur usub ha ku kordhi.
It's look Abdullahi more than 2 months to produce Somali Airline. That's not official aircraft but can deliver the right when it fully supports Abdullahi's government.
Today, November 29, I'm here to present my special talent with an attempt to develop the technology of MiG F-35 and Somali Airline. My goal is include number 1, to study my future as an aerospace engineer. Number 2, that I could not enjoy learning how to make a plane in my home country. 3, that I can't afford the college I love. Point 4, Somalia to become part of Horn of Africa's airspace. 5, to take advantage of my graduation for 2021 to 2022. Finally, I call on Somali governments and all countries associated with Somalia and Minister of Civil Aviation to support my ambition to be part of generation that will obscure the future of Somalia.
This is ambitious young man can make a difference in the whole community if his helped and his ambition is supported. Maxamed Lakiman, Arladi News, Mogadishu.